Hey friends, let's make a really cute turntable. First I'm going to add Dixie Belle white paint called Cotton, and we're going to put several coats of this on here. I believe I put 3 to 4 coats, you guys. I want to make sure it's good and covered. So I'm going to put it on there, I'm going to dry it, I'm going to put more on, I'm going to dry it, so on and so forth up until we get it finished. Once I'm finished with that, I'm going to sit down here and I'm going to use my compass to draw a circle. And then I'm going to divide this up into 16 little stripes. 16, you guys. What I do is I do 4, then I cut those in half, then I cut the 8 in half, and that's how we get the 16. You want to make sure that you do it in even numbers. So do the way I tell you to do it, and it will end up even every time. And then I'm going to paint it with a black Waverly paint called Ink. And I'm going to paint every other one black. And I'm just using a regular angled brush. Once I got all the black done, I went ahead and went around with some white and I cleaned up all the areas with the white paint. And then I'm going to go back in with some of the black and just touch up some spots. And then I'm going to go around each one of these black pieces on the outer edge, and we're going to paint that black as well, just to kind of wrap it around. I like to do that more so than I do just to paint it a solid color. I think that wrapping it gives it a more professional look. And then I'm going to add some white on these. It's just, I call these highlights. And then I'm going to add a little bit of blue to go on here as well. It'll just have a little bit of a blue cast. And then I'm going to add some transfers, you guys, some essential stencil transfers. These are called, let me see here what they're called. I'll tell y'all. I believe they're called blooming peonies or something like that. Peonies in bloom. Peonies in bloom. And the only thing is, you guys, is before I put this on, I didn't check to make sure these weren't see-through. And they were a little see-through. You can kind of see the stripe through the back of them, but I'm okay with it. It doesn't look bad. I think they still look really, really pretty. But a lot of different transfers, like IOD, has a deeper white so that it does not show through on the back. It's got like a white coating on the back. But I think they look really pretty on here, you guys. It just adds a little bit of a flair to it. I think it makes it look really nice. And then, you guys, once I'm done with that, I'm going to add some liquid leaf stripes in this. All the way around, on each side of the black, I'm going to put a stripe. Or if you don't want to think each side of the black, in each section, we'll put one stripe of the gold all the way down. And the gold, it just adds like a finishing touch that makes it look so much better. You can't really see it real good on camera, but it really does make it look nice. And now I'm going to go along the edge here, and I'm just going to kind of clean up all the little marks that I have made with the black and with the white, and I'm just going to touch everything up. And there's the final picture, you guys. I hope you guys enjoyed this. Thank you for joining me, and spread those blessings if you will, y'all. Thanks for watching. Have a great day. Bye-bye.